CES typically isn't the place that you want to show off new smartphones, but that's never stopped Sony from revealing a handful of new devices in Las Vegas. I'm Nick Gray, the High-Tech Traveler, and this is my first look at the Sony Xperia XA2 and XA2 Ultra. These two devices are mid-range smartphones running on Android Oreo and feature Sony's iconic square design, but the company has changed up a few things this time around. Sony typically features an embedded fingerprint sensor in the power button on the side of its phones, but now it's been moved to the back of the phones, allowing Sony to sidestep Apple's patents, which didn't allow the fingerprint sensor to be activated on phones sold within the US. The other change to the design is a slight curve added to the front and back of the body, which makes the phones more comfortable to hold. But I'm still happy to report that these two phones can still stand up on their own, one of the design elements I've enjoyed the most from Sony over the last couple years. As far as the specs go, the XA2 and XA2 Ultra are fairly similar. They both come with a Snapdragon 630 processor with 4 gigs of RAM and 32 gigabytes of storage, a 23 megapixel camera on the back, and an 8 megapixel front-facing camera that features a 120-degree super wide-angle lens. But there are a few features which set these two apart, including a 5.2-inch versus a 6-inch Full HD display, 3,300 versus 3,580 mAh batteries, and the XA2 Ultra's additional 16 megapixel front-facing camera with optical image stabilization and a selfie flash. I think it's pretty obvious that the XA2 Ultra is going to be a go-to device for those who prioritize the selfie camera over the main rear camera on smartphones. The two devices won't be on the market until February, but Sony has already revealed the prices and they're actually quite reasonable at $350 for the XA2 and $450 for the XA2 Ultra. I'm hoping to get my hands on both of these devices sometime next month so that I can give you guys a closer look. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button as well. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.